YouTube, this is the Black & Decker Thermal Craft Coffee Maker. It says Billy Vinch's item. It's pretty good for like anything. I'll just show you it. Has a little clock. I bid this on eBay and it was about $36, so I'm just gonna show you it. This coffee piece comes off here. It's a thermal insulation, so you can see it's glass. It keeps it hot for like 24 hours. It's a thermos, double insulation craft. Put this right. The next thing we have here, I'll just show you. Open it up. You can see it has like filter comes out. These are actually better than the paper filters. They save trees. And your golden kind, it's pretty good. I use this for like 5 years. You can see this coffee thing comes out. Pretty nice piece comes out. You can see inside though. This piece comes out. Oh, this fits right. There. And the cord that plugs in. This reservoir comes out. You can see the light. You can actually tell right here it's pretty old. And it's like a reservoir, holds 8 cups of coffee. It's pretty nice. Handy machine you can put in the sink and fill up with water. And this piece is like it goes away like this. I'll show you like this. This cord just goes like this too, if it doesn't break. And we got another spare craft. I'll show you it. The same one, what's different. This goes in like the same craft, this goes in like this. Yeah, this basically works like this. So I have a little timer. Turn this piece up like this, and you can set the timer and you go like this to turn the timer on. You turn this piece down to brew. And just turn this piece to set the timer and clock. So I recommend this coffee maker. You can buy it anywhere on eBay and peace. So peace.